I remember when smartboards were installed in our classroom, so exciting. We now had a bright surface, we could write, we could draw, and the best part, we could keep adding content without losing the old one. So amazing. And then Cami arrived. My name is Alex Kampas and I live and work in Cardiff, Wales. That's in the UK. I teach A-level physics. My students are between 16 and 18 years old, and the smartboard is the center of our learning in and out of the classroom. What Cami brings to smartboard is its simplicity, its set of features, its keyboard shortcuts, and of course collaboration. I use Cami on the smartboard to annotate prepared resources, but also as a blank canvas to create new resources on the spot. I also use my webcam's microphone to record a clip and then add it as a voice comment. This way, the students can not only see their written work, but also play back a sound clip and hear an important part of the delivery. In addition, it allows the students to see the smartboard not only in the classroom, but also right close to them on their own device to get a better look. And of course, they can interact with it, create content their own way from it, and contribute to it. For Cami on the smartboard, I use two pieces of hardware. The first one is the smartboard pen. The second one is a presentation clicker. The pen comes with a smartboard, and the clicker you can buy for around £20 or $25. It has programmable keys, and that's where I keep Cami's shortcuts. I have programmed my keys so that I have pen and eraser, scroll up and down, zoom in and out, draw shapes or highlight, and of course Ctrl-Z for undo and Shift for straight lines. My clicker also has a laser pointer and it's wireless, so I can control the board from a distance while I work with students, but also to teach in front of it without need to have access to the keyboard. The common element in all types of my teaching, whether it is online, hybrid, or in person in the classroom, is Cami. All I need to do is add a bit of hardware and transform my lessons into collaborative, interactive, media-rich experiences.